If you've ever changed jets in a Holley carburetor, you know that the standard size screwdriver that works really well, a short 6-inch screwdriver, is just not wide enough to engage both sides of the jet. Now, you can go out and buy a tool from Holley or Moroso, maybe Mr. Gasket, that run you anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks, but there's a cheaper way of doing that. So the first thing you do is pop into your toolbox and find some of those old screwdrivers that are either broken, worn out, you've abused them doing something else to it, and the blade is not in very good shape. Once you find some good candidates, then we can take a look and see which one is going to work the best. And once you have the assortment, the next thing you need to do is to check to see which one of the screwdrivers has a width wide enough on the blade that will engage both sides of the jet. Now, the easiest way to do that is just to take the jet and slide it down the blade of the screwdriver and see if you can find a width wide enough that will engage both sides. Some of these are going to be too narrow, others are perfect. Once you find the right screwdriver that will engage that jet on both sides, now we need to modify it a little bit. All you need to do at this point is take and mark a line on the screwdriver where the jet will engage both sides of it, take it to your grinder and grind off that material till you get down to that mark. Once you get there, then shape it a little bit so it fits down nice and easy into that jet, fits on both sides, it fits down in there snugly. You can even kind of make a little step into it so it kind of stops when it gets to the bottom of the depth of the jet, and you're done. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now, you can also paint this a different color if you want it easier to identify in your toolbox. I just rattle can this with some flat gray self-etching primer, and we're done. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Leave them down below. If you got something on the video, thought it was cool, please give me a thumbs up. Always appreciate the subscription. We'll be back with some more 2-Minute Tech soon.